Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to see how to keep the performance of the Redmi phone in the top conditions, and also we are going to see some battery saving tips in this video. So the most of the users complained that their phone was working in the top condition when it was new, and its performance slowly started degrading after the few months of usage. So today in this video we are going to see some tips to how to maintain the condition of your phone as if it was new during the long run. So let's start the video. So the first tip to improve the performance of your phone is to uninstall all the unnecessary apps. Yes guys, you have heard it right, uninstall all the unnecessary apps, because the number of the apps you install in your phone, it will create the number of background tasks. So each of the tasks may consume some amount of memory. So for the important task of the operating system, it may find less amount of the memory, so some of the information may need to be swiped into the permanent memory, such as your eMMC card. So it takes some time to swap the data from its RAM to the permanent storage. So it is always necessary to uninstall all the unnecessary apps. So the one tip which I always follow is, instead, for example, if you have 2 to 3 banking apps which you use to transfer the money through UPI, you can use any of the one app which can manage all this function of these different banks, such as Google Pay or Phone Pay. So once you uninstall all the unnecessary apps, the amount of the free RAM would be increased for the operating system, and your phone will behave in a much proper manner, and there will be no any lags during the basic operations. And the second tip is update all of the apps. So you heard it right guys, you need to update all of the apps which you have installed. So to update the apps, you need to go to the Play Store, open My Apps and Games. So it will automatically start checking the updates for all the installed apps in your phone. So you need to update all the apps which have been already installed. What does the update consist? The update basically consists of security and performance related improvements, and number of the bugs have been also resolved. The performance of the application is improved. It also result in consuming lesser amount of RAM. So you should always update all of the apps which you have been installed. Okay, so the third tip is cleaning out all of the temporary files from the phone. So all of the Redmi phones which are available comes with the inbuilt feature to clean all the temporary files. So basically there is an app called Cleaner which is found in all Redmi phones. So once you click this icon, it will start automatically cleaning all the temporary files, which include cache files, obsolete files, packages, residuals, and memory also. The memory is nothing but your RAM. It will try to release as much as of RAM from the unwanted resources. So once you click on clean, it will start cleaning the temporary files as well as unwanted resources into the RAM. So most of the RAM is usable by the operating system. So I will suggest one application from the Play Stores which is much better than this inbuilt app, which is nothing but the SD-Made. You can find this free version onto the Play Stores, but I have already purchased the pro versions. In this it has the feature for deep cleaning of the operating system, temporary files, corpse file finder, app cleaner, and even the application databases also. A free version is also available onto this Play Store. And there is another storage in which you need to also clear the temporary files, which you will found in settings, you can search directly here for storage. So once you find the storage, click on the first option. So you will find here the cache data. The cache data is nothing but the temporary files of all the apps which have been accumulated into the operating system folder. So you need to clean this also. So it will release some amount of memory which can be available for other apps. So once you click this cache data and click on OK, it will take some amount of time to delete all the cache data from the system. Okay, so it will take some amount of time. Okay, I think it has been already cleaned. Now see, it is only 16.69 MB. So the next tip is to improve the battery performance. To improve the battery performance, there is an inbuilt app into the Redmi phones. I think most of the phones will also have this feature. So click on to the security, click on to the battery and performance, and click on optimize. It will give some suggestion depending upon the settings which you already made. So currently it is showing some of the apps which is consuming excessive power. It is also saying me to adjust the screen brightness and screen lockout time. So currently I am not going to optimize this as I am recording this video onto this current phone. So you need to optimize the battery performance. It will close all the background tasks, unwanted settings which will consume more amount of battery. So when you optimize this, it will add some amount of time to your battery backup. And the one tip which I am going to give to improve the life of the battery is always keep the charging of your battery in between 20 to 80%. Never discharge below 20% because it will strain your battery to extract the more juice from it. And also never keep your battery charging above 90% for longer time because it will overcharge each of the cells, and thus it will degrade the life of the battery. And the next and the last tip is always update your operating system. Okay, so each of the operating system update contains the patches, security and performance improvements, and also patches to the vulnerabilities which may lead to the data leak. Okay, so to update the operating system, you need to click the settings, about phone, and system update, and check for updates. So currently there are no any updates available. So if there are any updates available, it will display it. So if the updates are available, click on download and install. So remember my friends, to keep while updating your phone, keep the battery at least above 50% to avoid breaking up your phone due to switching off during the updation process. So the most of the features which are already present in the Redmi phone, I have told you to improve the performance of your Redmi phones and keeping your Redmi phones in the top-notch performance. So most of the features are also available in the other Android phones, but it may differ depending upon make and model. I hope you have liked this video and you found it somewhat useful. So if you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. So if you found some new information, please also comment it down in this video. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.